guys, welcome back to a new episode of Trading Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a demo account on MetaTrader 4 application. Keep watching the video till the end. To create a demo account on MetaTrader 4, firstly go ahead and launch open your MetaTrader 4 application. The home page of MetaTrader application will appear on the screen. Click on plus icon at the top right corner of the page. On the next page, click on Open a Demo Account option. Tap on MetaCode's Demo option. Now enter your name, your phone number and email address. Choose your account type, leverage your deposit and tap on Create Account option. This is how you can create a demo account on MetaTrader 4 application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.